everybody. So today we are going to make a project calculate your age. So in that we will be able to calculate our age or convert it something to meter to centimeter. So let us start. So I hope you are able to see the screen. So this is our final app. So it will run like, first of all, let us take converter. So meters to centimeter only it will convert. So suppose I have given 10 meters. So convert in centimeter, it will be 1000 centimeters. Okay. And then you go to home, an age calculator. Suppose what's the current year? It's 2022. And the birth year of someone is suppose like 1967. So their age will be 55 right now. So like that we can do. So first of all, go to code.org. Over here, sign in. First of all, I have already signed in. Then go to App Lab. Now go to design. We are not going to make the screens today. So we are going to take this, Control C. So we will have to screen 1, screen 2, screen 3. Yeah, all the screens. Imported it. First of all, we have to go to screen number 3, the first screen. So it is age calculator or button converter. Okay. So first of all, what we are going to do, okay. So we are going to create some variables. Okay. So what is the variables? If we wish to declare a variable, like over here, declare a variable, declares and assigns an initial value to a variable. Okay. Like for example, if your variable name, so then you create a variable like the name, okay, and then set the value, means the what all thing that variable has to store in it, means the thing that you are doing like I will just see, it's a variable that we have made, okay, and that variable is name, and just a minute, variable we have made one, okay, then that variable name is name, okay, this like this block, okay. I hope you are able to see variable, okay. Suppose the name of the variable is name, okay. When it is name, variable name, so then what will it be? Is equals to, suppose the name is equals to Sampriti. So this is what the computer is going to store, variable name, then over here it will be Sampriti, okay. So that's how it is supposed to be. I will just remove all of this. So now, what about this second one? I will just tell you. Now, this block is the only block that we are going to use it today. This one. These two I will tell you in the other videos. Okay. So let us start. Now, so first of all, what we are going to do is this age calculator. Take an ornament. Then, so as you are able to see, so this is our button. Okay. So now, over here, I hope you will be able to see screen. It's the age calculator. So this is what we have to do. First of all, create a variable. Two variables we will create. So variable 1, variable 2. Okay. So it will be, first one will be current. The second will be birth. Okay. Understood? So after we have done like this, okay, then in current, go to UI controls and then take get property. Over here, get property. So in current, what is gonna happen? Let's go to screen one. This is the current year. Okay. So we have to suppose if someone entered 2022. So we have to get that information from there and know that they have written it as a 22. So get property of what? This current year. What about the current year? Get number. Okay, not get property. I'm so sorry. It will be get number. As it's a number, na? That's why. So get number of current year. Current year. Okay. So they will get the number. If so, 2022 is a number, right? Then again take get number from here. Of what we have to get the number? It will be of birth year. Okay. So this is done. We have declared two variables. Now, after we have known that these variables, set number, show age, this number. Okay. Now the twist is there. Okay. Set number of what? So you have to set number of show age. Okay. Just a minute. Yeah. So what we have to do is set number, show age. Go to maths and take minus. If suppose someone is wishing to find their own year, what do we usually do? We take the current year, then we take the birth year. Okay, then we minus it. Yes, like suppose if it's 2022 and you were born in 2012, so we minus it and you will get your age. Like so, like that. Over here, write the variable current because the information that they had entered in current year will be in this only. Okay. So current, and over here write birth. Then, so now our first the first command is done. Okay. Then now come down, go to UI controls on event. So then, just a minute. On event. Just a minute. Huh? Now, so when this over here, this button is clicked, button convert of this screen. Okay, this screen. So when button convert is clicked, what it has to do? So now when button convert is clicked, now we have to create another variable. So this variable will be meter. Okay. So sorry. Get number from the meter value. So UI controls, get number and meter value. Okay. Now we have to set the number. Set numbers. Yeah. Set number of label centimeter to go to math. So if we usually wish to find it out, what do we do? How do we convert meters to centimeters? Okay, I hope you know about the KHDMC rule. So that rule is what we are going to use. KH. Just a minute. KHTM. So now this M means millimeter and this C means centimeter. And this M is meter. Okay. So now just make it a little big so you can see it clearly. So now what we are supposed to do next. So now what we are supposed to do is make this meter to this centimeter. So how many zeros we will have to add? If it was 1 meter, we would have added 2 zeros, right? If it was like this, now MDC. If it would have been 1 meter, we would have added 2 zeros to make it in centimeters. So the same thing, okay? We will multiply it into 100 to get the result, okay? 100 is everything. Yeah. So now, what we have to do is go to math. Take this multiply one. So sorry. Over here. Then what we have to multiply? We have to multiply what was given in the meters. Okay. So meters. Not give us space. Huh? Meters into, yes, meters into 100. Okay. Now this just a little bit of it is left. Go back to screen 3, the main screen. So we had not given everything now. So coming over here on event button age calculator, click button age call, clicked. Then we have to set the screen to screen number screen 1 and on event when button button converter clicked, set screen to screen 2. Okay. Now coming back to screen 2, home. So button O H, button H, just button H. Okay. So on event when button H, button H. Okay. On event when button H clicked, set screen to back to screen 3. Okay. Same thing on event when button ha clicked. Okay. Button ha. So when button ha is clicked, just a minute. Button ha clicked. Just a minute. Huh? When button ha clicked, set screen to screen 3. Okay, so our project is done. So the last step, the fourth step, we will run it. Okay, so run. First of all, I will take age calculator. So the current year is 2022. The birth year I will give as 2004. So now find the age. We are 10 years old. Then back to home. Converter. I will give 7 meters. Convert in centimeter, it will be 700 centimeters. Okay, so our project is done. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon if you like the video, and also don't forget to like the video and share it with a friend so they can also be as smart as you are. So for right now, we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.